furthest that we've been from home was a laundromat. Back in standing for, I walked the tracks to the mall and back. It was like a world trip to us. Back of the bus, that was like a spaceship to us. Oblivious to just how small our so-called big city was and all that go for shit that didn't mean shit to us. They just hushed it. Kinda like the history they hushed with the mustard. Kinda like the ancient Maori customs they crushed in the custody spirits and Tupperware coupled with the treaty that they coupled on. Clean green Babylon, where everybody's on the synthetic weed like some crabs in a bucky bong, sitting in a long white smoke cloud. Hometown, my ghost sound don't know how to tell the difference anymore. Hotel, tell about some hotel that the whole town go around talking about what they don't really know about. It's kinda like a giant peninsula where I'm from. Nobody really wants to cheer you on where I'm from. Remember that game we played in the days of the pools when we fought for first place in the floating log? I don't remember what the motive was, but as soon as someone new got on, I'm hoping someone froze them off. While the haters on the water gun trying to hose them off. Hey, this dude's won twice in a row, look at him showing off. Get too poppy, your poppy get cut. You get too poppy, you'll probably get jumped on the farm. Land of a long line of road cones, home of the homeless, holding the ozone where young sheep walk the streets selling it wool. And we get around the town square together, the food, clean, green, red meat. Where the vegans get eaten and the feelings get beaten and darker and streaking in town with a rich man there with the mess cheap. And making it is just making it to next week. Once we're rainbow warriors, now we just sink drink. Washed up on the North Shore, almost extinct. Deep fried native tongue, served inside and cooked with the fries. The youth euphonize suicide rates, I get in the ring. Government sitting on its fat asses. 25 mil on a flag test. New key, same monarchy. The snarky, socky, pocky, Haas talking malaki. Living off the misery of Maui. Working the monarchy, tongue up as if parliament's a party that a man's DJing at. Ain't playing that, I jumped up in the Uber and told the pilot to take me back home.